Shravani. Engulf ourselves with the divine prayer. May the divine power bless us all.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा.
Now, may I request the past leaders to hand over the responsibilities to the newly elected council.
Hello, I'm the head boy of race, and I hereby pass on my responsibility and position to the newly elected head boy Achyut.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Asha, the head girl of school, and I hereby pass on my duty to the newly elected head girl of West Concept School. Thank you.
Everyone, how are you? It's me, Ravituja, CCA captain of race. Well, I firstly congratulate all the newly elected student council. Well, I hereby pass on my responsibility to the next CCA captain. Hope do your best.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Spurti, CCA Captain of Race Concept School. I would like to congratulate all the newly elected leaders. Now, I am passing my responsibility to the CCA Captain girl, Namami.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, I Varun Hiravan, the sports captain of Race Concept School. Hereby, I pass on my responsibilities to the newly elected sports captain K. Navdeep Reddy.
I'm the sports captain of Race Concept School. I would like to congratulate all newly elected captains, and I'm passing my responsibilities to the sports captain girl, Sona. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now let's listen newly elected head boy Achyut and head girl Sanjana.
Hello everyone, I am Achyut Joshi, head boy of our school. Hope you all are safe and fine. Firstly, I would like to thank everyone for having faith in me and choosing me as your head boy. As it is said that with the great power comes great responsibility. I, as the head boy of the school, will serve my duty at my best. I'll try my best to bring the best out of everyone of race family in terms of academics, discipline, co-curricular activities, etc. I feel proud to represent my race family. Jai Hind.
Good morning, one and all. Myself, Sanjana, the elected representative for Head Girl. I stand before you today to lead, guide, and support you all. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for believing in me and voting me as your head girl. I'm thankful to everyone from the bottom of my heart. I chose to become the head girl because I believe that head girl is not just a designation. It's a responsibility that I feel I can perform diligently. I think I'm capable because I have the compassion to listen and the ability to work hard together with the student council. I promise to help you in all way possible. As the head girl, I will ensure that you will have a memorable time at your school this year. So let's together make our school a better place for learning by helping each other. Thank you everyone.
Navami and Mahalakshmi are here to give a tribute to the winners through a song.
Sagama, 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 dama, dama. Madani, 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 sani, dani. Krutva navadruda sankalpam, vitaranto navasandesham, gatayamo navasangatanam, rachayamo navamitihasam, krutva navadruda sankalpam, vitaranto navasandesham, gatayamo navasangatanam, rachayamo navamitihasam, krutva navadruda sankalpam. Sagama, 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 dama, dama. Madani, 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 sani, dani. Sagama, ga, sani, dani, sani, dama, gama, ga, sagama, dani, sa. Gama, dani, sa. Gama, dani, sa. Navamanvantara shilpinah, rashtrasamunnatikangshinah. Navamanvantara shilpinah, rashtrasamunnatikangshinah. Tyagadanah कार्यकर्तः, त्यागदानः कार्यकर्तः. कृतिनिपुणः वयमविषण्य, कृत्वा नवदृढसङ्कल्पम्. वितरन्तो नवसन्देशम्, रटयामो नवसङ्घटनम्, रचयामो नवमितिहासम्. कृत्वा नवदृढसङ्कल्पम्. सनिधनि सनिधमनि दमदनि दमगदम गमदमग समगद मनिद सनिधम मनिद सनिद समग सनिद ग समगद मनिद मदनि स गमदनि स गमदनि स. प्रगति पतन हरि विचरे, सनिद सनिद गमदनि सनिद परं परं संरक्षे. मनसा मनसा धनि सगमनसा, प्रगति पतन हरि विचरे, परं परं संरक्षे. समोत्साहिनो निरुद्वेगिनो, नित्य निरन्तर गतिशीला. कृत्वा नवदृढसङ्कल्पम्, वितरन्तो नवसन्देशम्, घटयामो नवसङ्घटनम्, रचयामो नवमितिहासम्. कृत्वा नवदृढसङ्कल्पम्, कृत्वा नवदृढसङ्कल्पम्, कृत्वा नवदृढसङ्कल्पम्.
Our vision is creating leaders for tomorrow and bring a difference. You will now witness the solemn oath-taking ceremony whereby the council members promise to carry out their duties with diligence and integrity.
We.
Achyut Joshi, head boy.
Sanjana R, head girl.
Alok Kumar, CCA captain.
Navami Palle, CCA captain.
J. Navdeep Reddy, sports captain.
Konal Kakeri, sports captain.
Anuraj, prefect Rani Channamma House.
Akshita Reddy, prefect Rani Channamma House.
Sahana M.A., prefect Arjuna House.
Pritam B, prefect Chhatrapati Shivaji House.
Anishka Soni, prefect Chhatrapati Shivaji House.
Abdul Samad, prefect Ekalavya House.
Sanjana M, prefect Ekalavya House.
Do solemnly pledge to abide by the rules and regulations that govern our institution, and to be honest and true to the core values that it stands for. We promise to carry out the duties and responsibilities to the best of our ability and uphold the integrity of our alma mater at all times. We hereby affirm that we will always honor the faith and work for the prestige and glory of our school. Jai Hind.
Jai.
Now request our Honorable Secretary Shri Venkat Krishnan sir to wish and guide the new set of team.
Very happy to see all of you. It seems to me that the way you all look fully dressed up, it doesn't look like we are in a virtual meeting. So I'm very happy to see all of you smiling here. At the same time, why I wanted to have a small interaction with you was to try to understand that winning and losing is not important. What is important is, whether it is in sports or in real life, we should live up to the expectation for the post which you have all won, right? I also saw your election bulletin. I was happy about that also. You have all become leaders at a very young age. So typically in a country like India, where we are the largest democracy in the world, and you have also won an election based on the same democratic principles in which our leaders get elected to the state government as well as to the central government. So this is one bit of training for you to understand that, well, all is teamwork. Ultimately, you should also take with you all the students. Once the system stabilizes, we could also look at meeting you personally in the school premises so that we will be able to discuss each of the points you raised and bring value for the years to come. Thank you so much for joining, and I wish all the very best for this particular year 21-22.
We now call upon our CCA captains to speak a few words.
The difference between boss and leader is that boss says go and leader says let's go. I want to become that leader who walks step by step with you. Hello everyone, myself Alok Kumar, the newly elected CCA captain of our school. Firstly, I thank everyone for electing me as CCA captain and supporting me. I promise to bring out the best in me and give you all the best. I will make sure that I maintain the pride and dignity of our school and respect all. I will prove that I am the best CCA captain ever. Thank you.
Great leaders do not desire to lead but to serve. Good morning everyone. I am Navami Palle, the newly elected CCA captain of our school. I am very happy that you have kept faith in me and elected me as your CCA captain. I will do my service to the best I can. I will support you all in every way possible. I will always uphold the dignity of our school. Thank you.
I welcome the Executive Director Shri Chandra Mohan Reddy Sir, who is the guide and the mentor, and also welcome the head of the school, Ms. Bhavna Delani, to congratulate the newly elected council.
Children, good afternoon and congratulations to you all. We all know we are working in difficult circumstances because of Corona pandemic. In these difficult circumstances also, you can be the real true role models for the children with your exemplary behavior, discipline and manners. As leaders, you should support other students and identify their talent, encourage them to take part in various activities and competitions held at the school. You can support teachers in their all endeavors in giving the best and valuable education to the students. We expect you really inspire other students and create a lot of enthusiasm in them in the school activities. Hope you will fulfill the race vision of creating leaders of tomorrow. Thank you and congratulations to you all once again.
Good morning. Congratulations to the newly elected Student Council of Race Concept School. But before I move further, I would like to take this platform to express my gratitude to the Student Council, to the outgoing Student Council of Race Concept School. They have done a wonderful job and even brought laurels to the school in various fields. Now coming to this year. This year's investiture ceremony is special, is different. Different because we are using the digital space to practice leadership skills. You are all now leaders. Leadership means to lead others, but I would tell you to first practice self-leadership. Self-leadership means to learn the art of leading yourself, and if you practice that, then nothing can stop you from leading others successfully. But for that, you need to have a character trait checklist, and in that checklist, you need to include questions which you would like your fellow students to follow. You are going to face a lot of problems, my dear leaders. It's not an easy path. But to make it easy, you need to practice on the habit of reflection. Reflect on the problems, find solutions, and it becomes very easy. And for all this, RACE's core values, ethical leadership is going to help you at every step. Be prepared. All the best. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Now the sports captains are with us to share their views.
I, Sonal Kakeri, the new sports captain, take up all the duties and responsibilities for this academic year. The position of captain is given to those athletes whom the rest of the team trust and respect to lead the team in the right direction. However, with this great honor also comes the responsibilities. In my opinion, being a captain is one of the great honors an athlete can receive. Good opinion should embody the 3 C's: the caring, courageous and consistent. The captain must be accountable after bad performance or practice. The responsibilities of sports captain is to include encouraging players to cooperate with each other and to think together. They are responsible for following safety measures and keep track of all these. So I take up all these duties and responsibilities. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is K. Navdeep Reddy. Thank you for acknowledging me as a sports captain. As a sports captain, I'll try my best to make everyone fit and fine by introducing new activities in this pandemic. Along with studies, sports also play an important role in making everyone physically fit to lead a healthy life. Everyone should make any one game as their hobby to increase your energy levels. I'll give a chance to everyone who all are interested in participating in different kinds of sports. Play not to win medals. Play to boost up your self-confidence, fitness, capability and strengthening. Thank you.
Our Executive Director, Mrs. Sharda Ma'am, our creative mind behind the success of all the events, is here to wish the newly elected council.
Hello all. On behalf of RACE management, staff and students, wishing the newly elected Students' Council a very great and wonderful year ahead. Children, as you all know, coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is the progress, and working together is the success. There is no place for impossible if we work in a team. So teamwork can never fail. So work in a team and bring the laurels to the school. And I strongly believe that under your able leadership, the flag of the race will always fly high. Thank you very much. May God bless us all. Jai Hind.
Miss Kusuma, Miss Nidhi, Miss Sumaira and Master Ayan are coming forward with a wonderful dance performance to wish their student leaders.
विजयी भव तेरी आज पुकारा, धरती ये पूछे बारंबार, लुट रहा ये चमन तेरा वतन, आँखों से अपनी लुट रहा ये चमन तेरा वतन, आँखों से अपनी। संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े, हर द्वार खोल के गगन कहे विजय भव।